Jack is designed to make your water payment process fast and easy. Before you begin, make sure you have your FMU account number. There are 3 types of payments available: cash, credit card, or check. Ready to meet Jack? Let's begin. Press the green button Start Here on the bottom right corner of the screen. Use the large keypad and enter your FMU account number. Do not type in the zeros at the beginning of the account number. Now click the Next button. You will be asked to verify your information. If it's correct, press the Next button. Select Payment Amount. Jack will now generate your bill total. If you're going to pay the amount listed on the screen, press the Next button. Or you can type in the amount you would like to pay and hit Next. Select which method of payment as it appears on the screen. For cash payment, type in the amount you would like to pay and hit Next. Confirm the total amount and press Continue. Make sure to insert flattened bills into the slot in the correct direction shown on the screen. You will see a notification that your payment has been processed. To print a receipt, press the Next button, and your receipt will print. If you want to receive your receipt by email, select Email and enter the email address where you want to receive your receipt. If you have any issues following these steps, please call 707-428-7346. Jack thanks you for your payment.